Reading of the lesson along with questions. Lesson number 7, tomato sandwiches. Here, mother asked to Rohit, "What shall I make for lunch today?" Mama asked Rohit, "A tomato sandwich." Rohit asked. Now, let's see the questions. What does Mama ask Rohit? Answer. Mama asked Rohit that what she make for lunch today. Question number 2. What kind of sandwich does Rohit want? Answer. Rohit wants a tomato sandwich. Mama takes 2 slices of bread. She spreads butter. She takes a big tomato. She washes it and cuts it into slices. She puts the tomato on one slice of bread. She sprinkles some salt and pepper. She put the other slice of bread on top. She presses them together. She puts the sandwich into Rohit's lunchbox. She puts the lunchbox into a bag with a banana and a bottle of water. Rohit says, "Thanks, Ma," and runs off to school. Now let's see the questions. How many slices of bread does she take? Answer. She takes 2 slices of bread. Number 4. What does she sprinkle on the sandwich? Answer. She sprinkles some salt and pepper on the sandwich. In the evening, he is very excited when he comes home. "Ma, look at this. Teacher gave it to me." Mama comes to look. Rohit opens a paper bag and shows her a little plant. "It's a tomato plant, Ma," he cries. "Teacher told me to plant it in a sunny place and water it every day." Now let's see the question answers. Is Rohit excited when he comes home from school? Yes, Rohit is very excited when he comes home from school. Number 6. What was there in the paper bag? Answer. There was a little plant in the paper bag. What kind of plant is it? It is a tomato plant. His mother brings a big pot and fills it with soil. They place the pot on the veranda in the sun. They carefully put the plant in the pot and water it. What does mother bring? Answer. Mother brings a big pot. Question number 9. Where do they place the pot? Answer. They place the pot in the veranda in the sun. Now, every day Rohit looks at this plant. He pours a little water. He talks to it. It grows big and healthy. There are lots of leaves. One day there is a little flower. "Ma," he cries, "our plant has a flower on it." Questions. What does Rohit do every day? Answer. Rohit looks at the plant. Question number 11. What does he pour? Answer. He pours a little water in the plant. Question number 12. How does the plant grow? Answer. The plant grows big and healthy. Question number 13. What does Rohit see one day? Answer. One day Rohit sees a little flower on the plant. Soon there are many flowers. Some flowers fall off and little green tomatoes Soon there are many flowers. Some flowers fall off and little green tomatoes come in their place. The tomatoes grow bigger and begin to ripen. Question number 14. What happens to some of the flowers? Answer. Some of the flowers fall off and little green tomatoes come in their place. Question number 15. What happens to the tomatoes? Answer. The tomatoes grow bigger and begin to ripen. One day he picks two ripe red tomatoes from his plant and says, "Ma, will you make two sandwiches today? One for me and one for my teacher." Question number 16. How many tomatoes does Rohit pick? Answer. Rohit picks two tomatoes from the plant. Question number 17. What does he want his mother to make? Answer. Rohit wants his mother to make two tomato sandwiches. Number 18. To whom will Rohit give one sandwich? Answer. Rohit wants to give one sandwich to his teacher. Lesson number 7. The Vegetable Garden. Rohit's teacher asks the class to paint a picture. She says it must be a very pretty picture with lots of colors. Question number 1. What did the teacher ask the students to do? Answer. The teacher asked the students to paint a picture. Question number 2. What does teacher say? Answer. Teacher says that the picture must be pretty with lots of colors. Some of Rohit's friends draw flowers. Some of them draw pictures of balloons. Some paint children in colorful clothes. Question number 3. What do Rohit's friends draw? Answer. Rohit's friends draw flowers. Some draw balloons and some draw children in colorful clothes. Paints a vegetable garden. He paints purple brinjals. He paints red tomatoes, white and pink onions, orange carrots and brown potatoes. He paints lots of green spinach. It's a beautiful garden. Question. What do Rohit's friends draw? Answer. Rohit's friends draw flowers. Some draw balloons and some draw children in colorful clothes. Rohit paints a vegetable garden. He paints purple brinjal. He paints red tomatoes, white and pink onions, orange carrots and brown potatoes. He paints lots of green spinach. It's a beautiful garden. Question number 4. What does Rohit paint? Answer. Rohit paints a vegetable garden. Question number 5. What are the colors of different vegetables? Answer. Brinjal purple, tomatoes red, onion white and pink and spinach green. Teacher looks at all the pictures. She says they all are very pretty. Let's put them up on the wall. They put the pictures up. The students look at all their pictures. Question number 6. What does the teacher say? Answer. The teacher says all pictures are very pretty. The teacher asked them, which picture do you like most? They say, Rohit's picture, ma'am. The garden is very beautiful. Question number 7. Where do they put all the pictures? Answer. They put all the pictures on the wall. Question number 8. What does teacher ask? Answer. Teacher asks that which picture do you like best? Question number 9. What do the children reply? Answer. They says that Rohit's picture is the best. Question number 10. How is the garden? Answer. The garden is beautiful. In the evening, they take their pictures home. Rohit tells his parents, "Look at what I painted today." Rohit's parents says, "It's beautiful, Rohit." They put it in a frame and hang it onto the wall. Number 11. What does Rohit tell his parents? Answer. Rohit tells his parents that he paints the picture today. Number 12. What does his parents say? Answer. His parents say that it's beautiful. What do they do with pictures? Answer. They put the picture in frame and hang it on the wall. Thank you.